College is a scam. It's the biggest scam of our generation. And I'm going to tell you why I'm saying this. I'm going to tell you with the proof of all these things why I think and why college is actually a scam. So let's start with the basics. Why do we all go to college? हम सब कॉलेज जाते ही क्यों हैं? Why are we going to college? Let's start from the complete basics. Why do a person goes to college? लोग कॉलेज क्यों जाते हैं? We go college to get a job. And अगर हमें जॉब मिल गई उसके बाद क्या? Why do we want to get a job? हम जॉब क्यों चाहते हैं? Because we want to earn money, we want to get rich, we want to provide for our family, we want to make some money. That's why we try to get a job. And here I'm going to explain you the entire lifespan of an average person. The person who is born, who goes to school, who goes to college, and he gets a job. I'm going to explain it. And I'm going to also explain why college was the best option in 10 to 20 years ago. And I'm going to tell you why college is an absolute waste of your time with all my proofs, with all my points. So keep watching this video till the end because this video is going to break your every beliefs about the college. This is the entire lifespan of a person. Suppose a person is born. 3 years are spent in the home. A child learns from his parents, learns from the nature, learns from the environments. And जब कोई बच्चा 5 साल का हो जाता है, he goes to preschool. Preschool में क्या होता है? Basically teach a child how to behave, how to stay in the society. And after that, जो बच्चा 5 की एज का होता है, from the age 5 to age 17, he goes to school. And school is also a scam. Because स्कूल में बच्चों को क्या सिखाया जाता है? स्कूल में बच्चों को सिखाया जाता है that you need to sit down, you need to learn some things, you need to give an exam, and that is your worth. The marks you get in your exam, that is the worth of your life. That is what you are worth. If you have good marks, you are an intelligent guy. If you have bad marks, you are a stupid person. And school is also really a waste of time because it teaches you all the concepts, it memorizes you all the concepts that you don't need in your life. I'm 23 right now, and nothing I have learned in school has ever been productive in my life. Nothing I have learned has ever been useful to me. Of course, the plus, minus, multiply, all the basic things that were very useful. So you don't need school either. Your kids don't need school either. So a kid goes to the schools from the age of 5 to 17. And जब वो बच्चा +1 +2 में होता है, उसे कहा जाता है choose a stream. Out of 4 stream, choose something. You want to be a doctor, you want to be engineer, you want to be lawyer, you want to be businessman. What you want to be. And वो बच्चा choose करता है I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer. उसके बाद क्या होता है? The child goes to the college. He spends his 4 years on a college degree. From 17 to 21, he spends his life in college, learning things, concepts, memorizing things, paying attention to the teachers, attending lectures, making his attendance, every single thing. That is also a complete waste of time. Because I'm going to tell you why I'm saying it with a proof, a bulletproof proof. So he goes to college, he learns from the teachers, he does that thing, he does assignments, papers, exams, and all these things. Then, after the college, when he turns 21, he gets a job. I have taken a salary of an average student 50,000. Actually, you know the truth because 50,000 is not a starting salary at most of the companies. At most of the companies, the starting salary is 10,000, 20,000, or even 25,000 or something like that. But very few companies offer you the salary of 50,000 rupees per month. So I'm taking the 1% case, the 1% of the population. Suppose you did your degree from the IITs, which are the top colleges in India, and your starting package is 50,000. You get a job in any field, engineering, doctor, lawyer, anything you want. And then suppose you work 2 years in the job. When you are 23, your salary increases. It becomes 70,000. You work another 2 years, you get promotions. By the age of 25, your salary is 1 lakh rupees per month. And this is the 1% case. Not every single person can become the 1%. Even I'm not the person who's gonna spend his life working on a computer, working on a job. Because I don't like college at all. I don't like studies at all. I don't like coding, all these typical fields of studies, which is doctor, engineer, lawyer. I want something different from my life. The salary at the age 25 is 1 lakh. And the work you have to put in to get this salary is very immense. You need to work 8 hours 5 times a week. And that work is really very hard because the company is paying you 1 lakh rupees per month and the company might be getting so much value from you. So at the age of 26, you start to plan your marriage or you get your marriage. At 26, maybe your salary increases. It increases by 30,000. So your salary is 1 lakh 30,000 now. And suppose your wife is earning too. She's also from IIT, again the 1%. She's also 1%, you're also the 1%. And she's also making as much money as you. Now you had your marriage and you need to spend your time with your wife. You need to travel somewhere. You need to have a little bit of time away from your job or something. So you take 2 years to enjoy your life, your marriage life. So when you're 28, you have your first kid. At this age, your salary might increase by 30,000, which is 1 lakh 60,000. And suppose the salary of your wife also increases. And now you both are earning 1 lakh 60,000 rupees per month. Suppose 2 years after you have another kid and your salary increases, both of your salaries increases. You earn 2 lakh, your wife earns 2 lakh. And suppose at the age of 50 years, your salary doubles. You're earning 4 lakhs and your wife is also earning 4 lakhs. But now your age is 50 and you're getting older. So you need to plan for your life ahead. Suppose you get to 60 and you have 10 lakh rupees in the savings. Your wife also has 10 lakh rupees in the savings. And now you retire from your job. You have worked so hard in the company, and you now retire. You want to spend your old age at home, spending time with your kids, your family. So at the age of 60, you retire. And let's suppose at the age of 90, you're gonna die. Average lifespan is 80 years, but I considered it 90. So at the age of 90, you die. So I'm gonna ask you, is this the life you wanna live? Is this that you wanna spend 40 hours every single week on a job that you wouldn't even love, that you wouldn't even like, that you wouldn't even enjoy? But if you really have the passion in your job, if you really wanna go for the doctor, the engineer, the lawyer, or anything that the college offers, then go for it. I'm not stopping you. But if you don't have a passion towards these fields, no, don't go to college, because all these years you have to spend your life working on a job that you didn't even love, that you don't even like working on that job. You're gonna spend half of your life on that job. You want this? I think you don't want it. I also don't want to spend this much part of my life on a thing that I didn't want to do from my heart. I'm not contributing to the humanity by doing a job. I'm not doing anything productive with my life. I'm just filling someone else's goals. I'm helping the big companies get their goals. I'm not helping myself. I'm not feeling my purpose in my life. I'm gonna also ask you one question. Is 50,000 rupees enough for you when you're doing a job and you have many expenses and you're 21 years old? Is that enough for you? I think you have bigger goals in life. So maybe that wouldn't be enough for you. You need more money. Tell me another question. Would 4 lakh rupees of income per month enough for you, your wife, your 2 kids, and your parents, or maybe some relatives? At this age, you are 30 years old. Would 4 lakh be enough for you to live your life, to travel, to do all these fun things in your life? Is 4 lakh enough for you? Is 20 lakh enough for your retirement? After your retirement, is 20 lakh enough for you? Are you gonna satisfied with 20 lakhs of savings after retirement? I think the question for most of the people who are watching this video would be no. That this is not the life they want to live. This is not the life they have dreamed of. But this is the exact roadmap of the person who goes to college. And I'm talking about the 1% population. Only the 1% of people achieve this goal. If you are the 1%, if you really have the passion, if you really want to do a job, then go for it. No one's stopping you. But if you're like me, you don't like the whole thing of college, then this is a wake up video for you. You need to wake up. You need to stop wasting your time on the college. You need to figure out your life. Now I have told you that college is not the roadmap to success. College is not the roadmap to financial freedom in your life. So why college is even famous nowadays? Why most of the people are going to the college? There's just one reason. Because college is a safe plan. It is safe. Going to college is safe. But on the other hand, starting your business, doing something risky is not a safe option. Let me tell you another thing. This is your ancestors. Your ancestors like to live in groups. They like to live in large groups where people lived because of the fear of predators, because of the fear of natural calamities. So they lived in large groups. So whatever a person does in a group, all the people does the same thing. If one person has a sword, every other person would have a sword. This is the human nature. We humans stayed in the groups for large amount of times. So whatever the group around us does, we do the same thing. And here are you, a 18 years old youngster, and you are just figuring out your life. What you want to do in your life, what you want to be. And suddenly your parents say that join a college. College is a good thing. शर्मा जी का बेटा कॉलेज जा रहा है, राम अंकल का बेटा कॉलेज जा रहा है, and you see all your friends, they are going to college, everyone is pursuing your college. So your brain says that I should go to the college because college seems to be a safe route and every other person in the society is going to the college. So why I would hear my heart which is saying follow your passion, do what you want to do with your life, don't go to college if you really don't want to get a job. Why would I hear to my heart when my brain is saying that go to college? Because everyone is going to college. That is the trap 90% of people are found in. 90% of people go to the college because of their parents' stress, because of their colleagues' stress, because of other people's judgments. In the college, you sit there for long amount of hours. You can't be a social person. You can't stand out. You need to attend long classes and listen to the teachers, whatever they say, whatever they do. In college, you need to hear the orders of the teacher. Teacher is like a boss in the college. Whatever he says is the truth. Whatever he says, you need to follow. You are taught to follow orders of others instead of believing in your own thoughts. In college, you need to get permissions of every single thing. You need to go to washroom, ask for the permission. You need to start your own club, ask for the permission. You need to do this, you ask for the permission. And that is making you more of an unproductive person. You're always asking for permission from the people above you. In college, you are not told to ask a question. You're told that you believe whatever the teachers. And here I'm talking about the 90% of the colleges. I'm not talking about the top 1% of the colleges like IITs and other top colleges in the India. I'm talking about the 90% of the colleges. 90% of the college environment is like this. You have teachers which teach you, which give you information that they had learned from a book. They have no backed up things that work in your life. In college, you need to take a loan. Some students take loan to pay for the fees of the college. You waste your time, your money, your energy. 4 years of your time, money, and energy is wasted on a degree, which is going to provide you just 50,000 of the salary, which is again the top 1%. In college, they teach you the old syllabus, which doesn't work nowadays. In the era of AI, they're still teaching you to code. Who's gonna code when there is AI, when you can search a code and you can get it? Who's gonna learn the coding now? Who's gonna learn C++, Java? College is a business institute. It's not an educational institute, it's a business. They just want your money. They don't want your future. College doesn't teaches you any real lessons of life. It doesn't teaches you how to actually live your life, how to actually do things in real life instead of learning lessons from the books. I hope this video might help you. This was a wake up call for all the people who are going to college or want to pursue their college. College is not the safest route for your future. You need to figure out other things. I hope you like this video.